Hello, my name is Brian Abuga. In today's video, we'll be looking at how you can tell whether an oraimo product is genuine. What we'll be using, the method we'll be using is the authentication code, which you'll find on all oraimo devices on their boxes. Any counterfeit device won't have this. Even if it has this, it will have maybe an image that you can't scratch. This will be a scratchable area. I've also done a video on other things which you can look at to ensure you're getting genuine products. You can watch it here. I also cover this, I mentioned this, but I did not show you how to go about it. This is the best way to find out whether a product is genuine. On all oraimo products, you'll find this code here somewhere on the box. You can see this a mouse. I'll already scratched it. It have these two which I'll use for demonstration. I'll maybe just use one of them because it's just the same thing. So I'll put this aside. We'll focus on this, the oraimo Nova watch. I've also done a video on this channel which you can check out here about this watch. It's a nice rugged looking watch. You can just check out the video in case you're interested. The first thing you do, you'll find a coin. I have a 40 shilling coin here, so you'll use this to scratch. Ensure you use a coin, it won't damage this, and ensure the surface isn't wet so that you don't scratch off any numbers. So you'll just scratch it. So all the numbers are visible. We'll do next, we'll either scan this QR code to be taken to the oraimo website, or you can just go manually. I'll go manually. So you'll go to oraimo.com. It should redirect to the oraimo store in your country. Here we're on oraimo Kenya. It should be the same wherever you are. Just go to the drop down menu here, then we'll go to support, then go to product authentication. Here you'll enter this code one by one in groups of 4. So I'll start with the first group, A202. $9377. Once that's done, tap verify. So you can see it will tell you that this code has been verified for the first time. If you do it a second time, it will tell you it's for the second time, which might also be an indicator that somebody has already used this device in case you're being told it's new. But that's not as bad as getting a counterfeit product which won't have this. It won't have a scratchable code. I've done that in the other video which you can check out, how the fake packaging looks, which has this as an image instead of a scratchable code. I'll just, for demonstration, I'll just repeat this verification. Let's assume I entered it again, so it will tell you it has been verified for the second time. So ensure you, whenever you get a chance, try that, or just if it's on a shop somewhere, make sure you have this sticker and it's scratchable. Just tell the attendant to confirm that for you if you are sure you want to buy. So that's just about for this video. It was a short one. Consider subscribing to the channel and sharing this video and liking. And also I have a newsletter which you can follow. You can join by going to the link in the description, where I'll send a few tips and my latest content and anything else I might find interesting in regards to tech gadgets and any other news that may be available and worth covering in the industry. See you in the next one.